today we're going to focus on printing and exporting some SeekOut Insights reports. Now, the prerequisite to doing that is we're going to first need to kick off a search. So I'm going to go into our search tab here on the left-hand side, and this is going to bring us right into our direct search. Now, for this example, let's say I want to look for technical recruiters. A great way to kick off that search is to leverage our power filters here on the left-hand side. As a reminder, a power filter is a pre-built Boolean string that is comprised of specific skills, roles, and other qualifiers. We have them across a wide variety of categories. So under the corporate tab, under HR and finance is where we're going to find some of these different roles. And here you can see we have power filters for tech and non-tech recruiters. So I'll go ahead and put technical recruiters as my power filter. I'll hit done. Now we're going to be indexing a little over 85,000 candidates, but this is a global candidate view. So maybe I just want to look at folks that are currently in the US. I'll scroll down to our country filter here, check off the United States, and now we're indexing about 80,000 candidates. Now from here, if I wanted to get some great insight data about these 80,000 candidates in aggregate, all I have to do is come to the top and click on our People Insights tab right up here. Now, SeekOut's going to give us a ton of great talent mapping data about these 80,000 candidates in aggregate, things like where they're located, current employers, different iterations of their titles, skill sets, schools attended, and so forth. Now, right up here at the top is where we have the options to either print or export. So if you click on print, it's going to bring up this dialog box where you can set the printing destination, and it's going to put it in this easy to digest format right here on the left-hand side, the exact same way we see it in SeekOut. Now, another option, if you don't want to print, is we can export this data. If you click on export, it's going to bring up a dialog window that's going to give us a couple of different options. And we're going to go ahead and walk through both. So we can download the data right to our computer, and it's going to put this data in a CSV format. It's going to break out each section with its own tab, and it's going to put all of this data into these presentation-ready charts and graphs. So we're easily able to copy and paste specific data points that we need. We can use the entire report if we'd like to. Ultimately, this is meant to just arm you to go drive those more strategic conversations with your hiring leaders when you're doing your intakes and show them what the total addressable market really looks like. Now, the other option outside of if we didn't want to download, we can just do a view in Excel online. It's going to show us the exact same information, but it's just going to open it up here in a browser window. So here you can see all the same great information, all the same great tabs right down here at the bottom. Just comes down to user preference, whether we'd like to print, download to the computer, or you have the option to view in Excel online and share this URL link. And that is going to cover the printing and exporting of our insights reporting here. So I hope this information is helpful. If you do have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your customer success manager or to the customer success team via our in-app chat box right down here at the very bottom. All right. Thank you, everyone, and take care.